Hello guys, welcome to Pro Cubers. So today I'm going to show a walkthrough of my own method that I developed known as PSSM. It is called Pratham Shah's speed cubing method. So follow if you want to know about this more method. And this is the logo I have designed for my method. So be in this video for the more freshly brewed of the PSSM content. Subscribe to my channel for this more Rubik's Cube content. So let's start. So guys, I have scrambled my cube. Now I have to tell you something that this method is a hybrid of CFOP and ZB method. So if you are experienced with CFOP and some ZB algorithms, be in this video. I will provide you the best guide to PSSM method or Pratham Shah speed cubing method. So first step of PSSM is to build a cross just like the regular CFOP. So I will make a cross here. So I have built a cross, aligning the edges. Now I have solved the cross. Now second step is 3 F12 step. What is 3 F12? 3 means 3 pairs and F12 is the regular F12. So you have to solve 3 F12 pairs, sparing the last one. So let's start. I'm solving 3 F12 pairs. Not very good at this, but I will show you how. But I will do it. So I have solved the 3 F12 step. Now the third step for this is very important step for this. So I will show you now. The step is called inserting last edge. Assumption of corner is solved, picking across. If you don't understand, I will tell you what. So here I have the edge here, and we have to assume that this corner is solved. Even though it is not solved, we have to assume that this corner is solved. So after assuming this corner is solved, we can use ZBLS to insert this here and making a yellow cross, sparing the corner. So let me show you the ZBL algorithm. So guys, I have got this F1226 Orient R case. For disclaimer that you should have to assume that corner is solved, otherwise it won't work. So we have assumed the corner is solved. So this is the case if corner is solved. So we will do the following algorithm. So follow this algorithm if you want to, if you have saved in case, otherwise I will do it now. So we have solved the edge plus a yellow cross. We have still haven't inserted this yet, so we have done a yellow cross. So next step is CLS or corners last slot. So we will do CLS to insert this and solve the corners. After solving the corners, we will left with PLL. So let me show you this case. So I have got this case, so let's do this. Booyah, we have solved the OLL by inserting two pieces, and it's an immediate OLL skip. So now last step of PSSM or Pratham Shah speed cubing method is now just do the PLL. So I do 2 loop PLL for easy purpose to understand for you. So let's go. To make you feel understand. So now we have solved the cube. If you are interested, I will do a tutorial on that. Bye. and subscribe to ProCuber.